Mesa County is really excited about the addition of 2 new cornhole boards on the north end of Long Park, one by the Mount Garfield shelter and the other by the William J. shelter on the north end of Long Park. We used to have horseshoe pits here, but we had a hard time maintaining them, and public interest in horseshoes has declined. We've got a little more work to do when the sod comes in and we get irrigation water available, but we're excited to have these new concrete boards. They're set at regulation distance. They have a polished surface on the top of them, so the bags should slide well. Mesa County does not provide the bags for them, so you'll need to bring your own bags. It is a first come, first serve. People will reserve these shelters, and they can use them when they reserve them, but if they're not being used, anybody that wants to come out is welcome to use them. Please let us know on if you like them, and we can see about adding them around some of our other properties and other shelters that we have out here.